Okay, this should be the last one for this problem. So one thing you can do is you can look at the appendices, because we're going to need to convert meters to, let's say, millimeters. Here's your metric prefixes, milli, 10 to the minus 3, 0.001, a thousandth, really. So just to finish this off and see what diameter conduit or what diameter pipe we need, D equal to 0.01628 meters multiplied by, there is 0.001 meter and 1 millimeter. And you could also put 1,000 millimeters and 1 down here, which would be way easier, and I didn't do it. But if you do this math, it's dividing by 1,000th is the same as multiplying by 1,000, and you're going to wind up being, it's going to be 16.28 millimeters diameter. So the minimum diameter that can be and have that 6 meter per second flow rate is 16.28 millimeters. That's your solution. Now I have the textbook solutions posted under the Files tab. I will probably also have them in the module, at least one module. So you'll be able to compare most of the problems in there, have the answers. Let me see if I actually have that thing handy, but I know it's online and I'm not online, so, but I may have the solutions right here just to make sure I did it right, if that one's even in there. Anyway, I have them posted for you online, but that's the way you go through those things. And I like to look at the answers when I'm done, just to make sure I did them right. I don't always do them right, so then I got to go back and figure out why. But I hope that was a good step-by-step. You know, that was almost 5-minute steps, so that was 25 minutes for me to do a problem that I've probably done before. I probably haven't looked at that problem for a couple years, but still, 25 minutes per problem, which is why the homework doesn't have very many problems. I highly recommend you write down every step like I did. Make sure everything makes sense. If it does not make sense, you're probably making a mistake. Make sure the units cancel, and that's very, very similar to number 25, except for its units that you are probably more familiar with. So I'm going to stop right there.